If you have ever heard people talk about fake designer bags, watches, shoes, or clothes in China, chances are they are talking about one place, the Guangzhou replica market. Guangzhou is known globally as a massive trading hub. It has decades of experience in wholesale, manufacturing, and export. That same ecosystem is also the reason replica markets exist here today. Let me be clear from the start. These markets are not tourist attractions in the traditional sense. They are informal, sometimes hidden, and operate in a very different way compared to normal shopping malls. Some replica markets open during the day, others only come alive at night. When the sun goes down, entire streets transform into what feels like a clandestine bazaar. Quiet doors open, runners appear, samples are shown discreetly. This is how the replica trade really works. So, why is Guangzhou's replica market famous worldwide? First, scale. There are many wholesale buildings across the city. Most of them sell legitimate goods. But in certain areas, replica products are openly offered. One well known zone is near Guangzhou Railway Station, where you can find copy watches, handbags, shoes, and clothing in clustered buildings. Second, price. Buyers come here because prices are significantly lower than in retail markets. Vendors compete aggressively, and there is a huge variety of styles, grades, and quality levels. Third, access to samples. Many sellers keep real samples on hand, but they are not always displayed publicly. Serious buyers are often taken aside to view items privately. This is where quality differences become obvious. One street you may hear about is Zanshi Road. Business here often starts late in the evening and runs through the night. That is why it is sometimes called the Ghost Watch Market. Runners move goods quietly, especially after dark, to avoid attention. Now, here's the part most people do not tell you. Buying replicas is not fully legal. Enforcement levels vary, but risks exist. Raids do happen, goods can be confiscated, and buyers who do not understand the system are the easiest to fool. Inferior products are common. Some sellers mix high grade and low grade items, others switch products at the last minute. Photos and samples do not always match what you actually receive. This is why experience matters. You need to know which areas to visit, which buildings to avoid, how to spot quality issues, and how pricing really works. You also need to understand local buying behavior and when to walk away. If you are thinking of sourcing in China, especially around sensitive markets like this, do not rely on guesswork. The cheapest option often becomes the most expensive mistake. That is where having the right guidance makes all the difference. At SourcingXpro, we help buyers understand China's markets realistically, avoid costly traps, and make informed sourcing decisions based on experience, not hype. If you want more real insights about sourcing in China, follow SourcingXpro.